Hey guys, welcome to Heartdeco Wonders. Today I'm showing you our 11 pieces camping kitchen utensil set. So it comes in this really sleek bag, which has a mesh pocket right here at the back if you wanted to place your phone or your car keys. It also has a front zipper with this another storage compartment which you can access and then place a few things in here. It's easy to carry by the hand. And then you can also just flip it over your shoulder. So if you want to go hiking, this is great. Okay, so let's jump into the utensils. Okay, so first thing we're looking at is this anti-slip glove, which is perfect for the outdoors because especially when you are braaiing, then you don't want your tongues to fall out of your hands because you sweat. It also is great to carry around those pans. If you have plates and dishes, it's great to use. It's non-slip on both sides. It is not heat resistant, so I wouldn't use it to pick up those sticks. Next up, we have our bottle opener, which is great to use on those stubborn bottles that don't want to open. Cut your meat without cutting yourself with our extremely sharp knife and a pair of scissors. Next up, we have a clear dishing spoon, which is great to scoop up that pap and rice. This bad boy can be used to scoop up a soup, or if you feel adventurous, maybe a little bit of coffee, you know? Then we have this big fork, which you can use to stab your steak and ... You can make your own assumptions. Now it's time to toss a salad. Or you can use this to turn your wors, and then with this one you can flip a braaibroodjie. Now we South Africans don't generally like a green salad, but if you feel like cutting up some feta and cucumbers, here is a really nice cutting board for you to use. It is small, so yeah, don't be making big salads with this. Okay guys, so that is our 11-piece camping kitchen utensil set from Heartdeco, available online at www.heartdeco.co.za. Please like, subscribe, and follow us for more.